Hey, what's up? Vechain holders. After a very long time, Vechain will take a very massive jump now, my friend. Very massive jump occurred now, and my friend, in the last 24 hours, it's a wake up, and it's a really great news for short-term investor who invest for a short time, not for a long-term investor. If you are a long-term investor, remember, brothers, to don't see the short fails, short jumps, because my brother, they sometimes fails down, but sometimes they also wake up and go in the moon now. So this is very good news for short-term investor, my brother. You can see here the last 1 hour they fails down again now. So therefore, I tell you, my brothers, to don't see the short jump, short fails. If you are a long-term investor, then don't see. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification. All right, let's get started this brand video. But kindly hold it, please subscribe this channel. My brother, if we check out the last 1 day chart, then we understand, my brothers, to really this coin is wake up and they will give you a profit or not. My brother, from last 24 hours, you can see here the change occur is on the screen, and 6.15% the price is increased. Now the price is, you can see here, 0.115093 USD dollars. So it's mean, my brothers, to after a very long time, Vechain will take a very huge jump now. It is a great news for all of you to Vechain will starting also moving upward now. Congratulations all of you, my brothers, to Vechain will make you a millionaire at the end of month. I am 100% sure to, if they starting moving upward now like that, then I am 100% sure to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit now. So just in all, my brothers, you need to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now. Thanks for watching Vechain. Holder, my prediction is that to upcoming time they will go up, and absolutely my prediction is tell us is, my brothers, too. The future is going to be bright now, and my opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it. Remember to, if you hold, then exactly at the end of month they will give you a very good profit now. So let's see, my brothers, to really they will give you a good profit or not. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.